Hi, my name's Jane Travis. I worked at Missouri Star for about 3.5 years. You can usually find me in the accessories shop, that accessories and such. Well, I've been quilting for a long time. And since I started working in the accessory shop, I did start making bags. I can show you some bags that I've made. I like to use recycled materials, and this is recycled jeans, and it's Janie Stitch. I just stitch because it's relaxing, it's fun. I wish I was doing it right now. And this one is a panel by Janet Wecker-Frisch, and this bag is made out of, the base is made out of an old painting tarp. So I can do anything with anything, I think. So I started quilting, and I kind of have a pattern's just a suggestion. So we all know that. So this one is crumb quilting. I watched Jenny do her crumb quilting, and I was like, I can do that. And mixed with an improv patch. And I call that fish and ships, because you turn it one way, it looks like ships, and the other way, it looks like fish. So that was a lot of fun. That took a lot longer than I thought. Let's see. This one I did recently with the shops, and it is the Valentine. It's another Janet Wecker-Frisch. I think I like her. All the Valentine projects that we did. That was a lot of fun. More stitching. And this one is a work in progress. I used some, well, the backing, my mother had a bunch of like felt fleece backings that she just had. And so after she passed, I made tops for all of those and gave them to grandkids and stuff. And this is one of those. This doesn't have the felt on the back because it was too big and I didn't want to cut it down. And this is, I started studying about Kiwandi, and there's just all kinds of things areas you can go in, and this is not how you do it. But it was inspired by that. So, and there's a lot of stitching. When I am not doing quilting and things at home, I like to make junk journals out of recycled cardboard and trash. And I garden. And something that most people don't know about me is that I have a Bachelor of Fine Arts degree in ceramics. I don't do that at home anymore, but that's something that I really used to enjoy doing. One thing I like about working, well, actually the best thing that I like about working at Missouri Star is the guests that come in and share their stories, and they come from all over the place and they have all kinds of stories. Sometimes they bring their work in, and I really like hearing that. We'd love to see your work and your creativity. Be sure to share at #MSQC Show and Tell. Thank you.